your own YouTube channel. So it's very important that as a content creator, you have to get one channel for you. In this video, I will walk you through an entire process how to create a YouTube channel from the setting and all the feature that you need to learn in this from the scratch for YouTube channel. If you are new in this place, please don't hesitate to like, share, comment, subscribe for more helpful tips on YouTube journey. So if you're interested, let's get started. So guys, one thing you need to know is that go on your YouTube channel site and then you will see the setting like this. Example, you want to open another YouTube and then you want to put your name or your brand name on it. Click to the switch account. Click the switch account and you will see I have a lot of YouTube channel here. But today we want to create a new one. Add account. Now I'm going to add account and Google will ask me whether I need to create a new one or you have an existing account. Now I want to create from the scratch, okay? This is where the work began. In this place, you need to create accounts for your own business, not your personal use. So you will choose for a work business. Create for the business, and here that you will get the handle that the things that you need. Try a workplace or get a Gmail address. Now I want to get a Gmail address. Okay, let's get it into it. Now when you create this one, you will just name your account. Name your account. Let's say I will name my account John. I will name my account John. And then the last name, I will mention it all depend on the kind of name that you want. Then click next. After you have clicked next, you need to add the information here which you need to provide. Then you type the kind of month that you have been birthed. Then you click your gender here. If it's a female, say female. If it's a male, click male. Then you click next. Now you want to create an account based on what you have in mind. Let's say your brand is you. Now you don't have any existing account or get Gmail address insert. You okay? You will need here to inform your email account, or better still, get an email address. So now you will click this place and bam, your Google account, Google will suggest to you a Gmail account that you need to work with. Now I'm going to go with this John and Mom 9. That one is very simple and easy. Now I'm going to click next. If you click next, now they will tell you to create a password. Now you need to create a password here. Please make sure that this password is, you don't need to forget it, okay? Because if you forget this password, your own don't go with that. So, okay, one. So yes, after that you click next. Now they will tell you to add your phone number. That is where everything started. Verify your account number, which is your phone number here. You just need to put it. Okay, so now let's add the number. We sent you an email and on your normal phone, okay? In that phone, you need to just put your number, which is the number code they sent to you. Just click that number code they sent to you. So now you have already added something here. So now they are telling you to add your Gmail account. In case you forgot that one, please make sure that you have extra Gmail accounts, that it will be easy for you to add. So now I'm going to add my Gmail account. Next again is for you to confirm that this is your email. Okay, get more information by number I am in, or you need to skip it, recover the voice call, and this one. Just keep it, okay? So now keep skipping it and keep the information together. Now we have already get this and you agree to it, okay? So in this one now, you just need to set continue or not now. You just set continue. Then if you set continue, they will click that and then they are set. Okay, now we have a YouTube channel, which is brand new YouTube channel. That is where we need to create. Here you say create. You will see create, okay? Click that create and you will see your name here and then you click create a channel. All right, create the channel. Here you need to put your picture. Please make sure you put your picture. Very, very important. When you put your picture, so this is the face that you are going to see in this kind of particular place. Now if you click create, it will show you to upload a video. But first thing first, go to um, customize channel. Go to the customize channel and then bam, it bring you to YouTube. You continue click. Now in this place, you need to set up your YouTube channel very well. As a new YouTuber, you need to put your email, you need to put your social media handle, and you need to select the language. Select the language. Let's select the language. Depend on the language that you want to use on your channel, okay? Let's select the language and then translation language. Let's select the language and then here we go. So now you need to go to the home tab. When you go to this place of home tab, this is what you see here because actually you don't have any video, okay? So now we just need to arrange to upload our picture, okay? I will just upload this picture and then I want this to be here. Okay, then again I will upload my thumbnail, okay? Then again click here. Now I will just type a description of my channel, okay? Type a description of your channel, what you want in this video. I'm going to do this, all those stuff. So these are the things that you are going to let the audience know. And then you click publish. So now when you click publish, you will see that this place that your channel name has changed, right? Yes, now it's changed. You go to your dashboard and this is your dashboard is empty. There is nothing inside your dashboard, okay? Your earning is empty. Nothing is there. You just started new. Now, I want you to please pay attention here, okay? This is very important and then you add this place, okay? So in case if you reach the criteria, you will be able to inform. Another thing I want you to do is to turn on your two authentic verification. You click them and then click OK, okay, or continue. If you want, you continue. If you don't want, you just leave it aside like that, okay? Let's go back again and let's continue from where we stopped. So in this way, you have already created a brand new account, okay? This is your brand new account. Now you go to your channel and then you will see that you don't have any video yet, but you have your channel. So now you need to go to a place of channel customization. This is the first one, right? So when you click inside here, you will see to upload this one, okay? I will still upload the same video, the same picture because I want this to be okay. This one is not enough. I will upload something like Okay, let me click this one. Yes, so something like this, okay, and then you click yes, and then you click publish. So in this way now you have a brand new content. Okay, one thing also I need you to know, go to your setting, that video is up there, and then go to your permission, go to the community tab, and then you check the default. You will see if you want to add something. So I will do another video later regarding how are you going to use this section. So here I'm going to explain to you guys again. Okay, those are the things that you need to be doing. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching till this moment. I really appreciate. See you again in my next video. And bye for now. Like, share, subscribe. If this video is helpful, kindly make sure you like. Thank you and bye for now.